Alright, we just made it back to Jason's house, and this is something I've really been wanting to see for a while now. What is this exactly?
So, this here is a 1964 MG Midget Mark II. It has that 1098cc engine. Basically, it's middle of the range. It's been my dad's in the family for 42 years now, and it's been my little restoration project here, and you know, we're gonna see what she'll do today. You know, it's just gonna be fun.
Absolutely, I could not be more excited to get in my first classic car. So. We're in. I love that sound.
This car is still very much so a work in progress. And I do have to take special precautions because this thing is old. I can't really, you know, bang gears like a modern car. So I am double clutching everything, just to keep it safe and simple. This is the car that I learned to stick on. I've learned a lot in this car. It's going to be fun. I hope you enjoy it. So, yeah. Sounds better than I remember.
This is amazing. This is, I mean, yeah, I've never experienced anything like this.
Oh yeah.
This is just phenomenal.
Yep. You will be smelling like gas after.
I don't care.
I figured.
right, well, that'll do it for today's kind of vlog. Thank you so much, Jason, for driving me around in your MG. I'm a big fan of these kinds of cars, and this has been an experience I'll never forget. So.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Thank you.
I'm glad you got to come down and enjoy it before it's all torn apart. Engine rebuild's coming because it's been needing some tender love and care, so we're fixing to go do that.
And there is no more a deserving car of some TLC than this MG.
Oh crap, I forgot I have to back in.
Oh.
Dun 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 dun.
All right,
Please don't
take care everyone. Toodles. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.